Hi, this is Zachary Ball with Omnis Technologies, continuing our series on the CTERA devices. Today I just want to do a quick video on how to show how to do SQL backups with the CTERA units. Generally, we do just a file backup with our agents from the actual machines to the CTERA, but you can actually get into the applicational level with those agents. So quickly, here we are logged into our main screen. We're going to drill down through local backup, CTERA agents. And then from here, we're going to go to the server. This particular client uses SQL Express 2014 for some of their in-house software. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to click on the agent itself. Now, generally, I am running a system image backup on this server because it's not fairly large and we have a lot of room on the CTERA still. But generally, we have that disabled, and we just generally do selected files only. The way that you can tell that the files are selected is they have the green plus sign on them. But from here, we can do applications to backup. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And it takes a couple of seconds to populate to actually find what applications are on that system. We're going to go ahead and expand. And then from here, we can see that it's Microsoft SQL Server 2014. We're going to go ahead and expand that. And from here, the two main databases that are particularly used with this client are the B system and L system. So we're just going to go ahead and check these. These other ones, I believe, were tests when we first set this system up. These may have actually been just created by default, but we're going to go ahead and check those and then hit OK. And we're going to save. Now, I always like to double check because you just never know. So we're going to go back in, file level backup, and then selected applications. And it looks like they are both selected. One of the things that I found out is a lot of applications still use Microsoft SQL. Several versions, several revisions out there. One of the things that we found is SQL Express doesn't actually do backups by itself. There's no automated way to use Express. And a lot of people use Express because it's free to a certain point, and a lot of applications run on it. So this is a good feature that we can use under the applications on backing those up for those database or SQL style databases. Thanks.